The debate over health care reform is divisive, as U.S. Senator Arlen Specter learned at a town hall meeting he hosted in Pennsylvania.
And he's gonna judge you and the rest of your damn cronies up on the hill. And then you'll get your just dessert.
Okay, we've just had a demonstration of democracy, okay?
The outbursts at Senator Specter's meeting were not unique.
Hey, hey, hey!
All across America, voters, mostly those opposed to a public health care option, have been verbally attacking elected officials at gatherings.
The people need to reform health care, not the government!
Opponents of the president's proposals, including the public option, say they are socialistic and signal a government takeover of health care. Democrats say better health care is essential for millions of Americans who cannot afford it. The outbursts are a surprise to Democratic Congressman Danny Davis.
All right, thank you.
He's from a part of Chicago that would benefit from and largely supports the government health care option that President Obama has proposed.
People know that they need it, they want it, we must have it. The people in our community feel that the biggest problem with the bill we're going to pass is that it doesn't go far enough, it doesn't provide enough, but they know that it's better than what they've already got.
But in a rural part of Illinois, Republican Congressman Tim Johnson received a different message from hundreds of voters like Sue Reed, who packed Pontiac's City Hall to make their voices heard.
I came here specifically to ask you not to vote for this health care reform bill.
The debate over how to reform health care and how to pay for it is not just between lawmakers and voters. In the Indiana town of LaPorte, a group called Americans for Prosperity drove their Hands Off My Healthcare bus into town and set up on the lawn of the county courthouse to open a debate on the issue.
Does it seem like a good idea? No.
Amy Menifee, the group's spokesperson, says the event was not organized by a political party.
We're not a partisan organization, we're just free market. And so people who are interested in fiscal issues, interested in keeping their taxes low, those are the people who are our members. And so we don't really care what party you're from.
Advocates on both sides of the issue have accused each other of trying to disrupt public gatherings as a way of shaping the debate. Congressman Davis says while he is also trying to shape the debate, he is critical of tactics used by opponents of the plan.
But I've never been engaged to the extent that I will go so far beyond the pale, that I will mischaracterize, that I will outright lie, that I will outright try and fuel flames of discontent when there is none.
But voters like Ray Henry in Congressman Johnson's rural district say they have been unfairly characterized in news reports.
The only thing you're hearing is the Democrats saying that we're all Nazis coming to these meetings.
From my perspective, you are not Nazis. You are not any of you on either side of the issue.
Congress reconvenes in September, and lawmakers have several weeks left to hear the concerns of their constituents before a decision is made on the future of health care in the United States. Kane, Farabaugh, VOA News, Chicago.